video I've called it Turning It Over to the Manager, and how everybody has this manager in their life and how beneficial he can be. To learn more, carry on and watch this video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Loraine and I help people live with passion, purpose and positivity. Let's dive right into this video. So turning it over to the manager. Who is the manager? The manager is the law of attraction, and I'm going to tell you why. In this book by Abraham Hicks, there's a process in there called turning it over to the manager. And Abraham Hicks talks about the manager and how it's the law of attraction. But you could use the analogy of you're the owner of a huge corporate company where there's thousands and thousands of people doing lots of different jobs. But you don't have anything to do with these people, but you have a manager that does. And all you say is to your manager, you know, when you have an idea, they go and tell the people, and that's what happens. And it happens with, you know, quite easily, really. And I think most people would say, wow, I'd love a manager like that. And I say, like Abraham Hicks says, you do have a manager like that. It's just that you've got to learn how to use your manager. Because the law of attraction states that like attracts like. So when you ask for something, if you're not that bothered about it and you've got no resistance to it, it comes easily, if you've noticed. So if you have a desire, you'll tell your manager does it automatically. He'll go and sort that out for you. And all you've got to do is just allow it in. Allow that desire to come to you. But we don't, do we? We don't allow it in. We worry about it. We fret about it. We think about it. We wonder how long it's going to take. But all you have to do is ask for it and just wait. Just almost forget about it and it's done. Because there's always two things that you need to do. Ask, desire, easy done. We do it every day of the week, all the time. The universe automatically brings it to us. Ask, receive and believe. And then the third process, allow it in. It's given, it's done. So yes, so it is, allowing is the key really. And, you know, you can use your manager. Like, you can use the analogy of a manager. You could say, manager, do this, do that, ask for this, ask for that. I mean, you wouldn't have a manager paying £500,000 a year and say, no, don't worry, I'll do it myself, I'll struggle, I'll do it. You wouldn't do that, would you? You're paying your manager, he's doing the job well, he's doing it efficiently, and everyone respects him and everything, and he does it, and you ask him to do it. So if we bear that in mind, and you could use it as like a fun game. You could say, manager, give me a great day today. I'm going to London later. I'm going to say, manager, I want an amazing time today. I want fun. I want laughter. I want to feel inspired. I'm going to watch a choir in London. And I want to feel good. I want to sing along to Christmas carols. Because I saw this choir in the summer. They're absolutely amazing. And I know I'm going to have an absolutely great time. But I'll say to the manager, I want this amazing, wonderful experience. And I'm going to take lots of pictures, lots of selfies. Me and my friend, you know, we do some selfies and some singing together. And I know, I kind of know that I'm going to have a great time. I'm going to say to the manager, yes, I want that. I want this to happen. I want that to happen. I want to meet fantastic new people. I want to sing along and feel inspired. I just want a great time. And, you know, I know it's going to happen. But I'm not saying don't take action, because when you're in alignment to your desire, and when you're in alignment in general, inspired action is actually the best action possible. You know, you get an idea and you go out and act on it. But if you're feeling good about it and you feel that this idea is a good idea and you act on it, it's going to be beneficial. But if you get an impulse to do something, do it. But if you get like a sudden thought and think, oh, I've got to do that, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that, you're not in alignment with your desire. So it's like obviously it's not going to happen. So inspired action is a great thing. So I'm not saying do not take action, but take inspired action. Inspired action that when you feel good, when the idea comes to you, just go and do it. So I hope this was beneficial to you. It's a game you can play, and when you're feeling fun and resistant free, then manifestations will come rolling in easily. You've asked the manager, he's taken it on board, he's gone and done it, and then just given it to you easily. And when you get good at it, you will get good at it. You'll think, oh my God, this is happening, that's happening, synchronicities, good timings, everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did feel that it resonated with you, please press the like button. I do daily videos, so if you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification, you will be informed of a video every single day. And have a wonderful day. Blessings to you, my friends. Much love and namaste.